tomorrow. That's
Ski County. And 30 p.m.
beautiful out there. A little
11:48 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Deschler, or 11 miles southwest of Bowling Green, moving east at 70 miles an hour. Hazard, 70 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Bowling Green, Tiffin, Fremont, Fostoria, Clyde, North Baltimore, Gibsonburg, Weston, Green Springs, Arcadia, Van Buren, Belleville, Bradner, Attica, Wayne, Bloomdale, Bettsville, Risington, Signet, and Republic.
At iflag.org.